Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate security freezes with Equifax, full guide step by step clearly. To activate a security freeze with Equifax, start by visiting the official Equifax website. Look for the security freeze section on the homepage. Click on the link to get detailed information about the security freeze process. Select the option to place a freeze. You will have the choice to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you decide to create a new account, provide the required personal information, such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure to have your identification documents ready for verification. Once your account is created or you log in, locate the option to activate the security freeze. You will need to provide identifying information to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the necessary information for the freeze. Review all details to ensure accuracy before submitting. After submission, you will receive a confirmation of your security freeze. Keep this confirmation for your records. You may also receive a PIN or password that you will need to remember. If you decide to temporarily lift the freeze in the future, you will need this PIN. Take a moment to review any additional resources provided on the Equifax site for managing your freeze. Remember, activating a security freeze is an important step in protecting your identity. Feel free to reach out to Equifax customer service if you have any questions during the process. Once the freeze is activated, you can rest assured that your credit report is more secure from unauthorized access. Keep your confirmation and PIN in a safe place for easy access as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.